A very good afternoon. A very good evening to all, guys. I am Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor, and I welcome you all in this time, speed, distance part 4 session, guys. I welcome you all in this time, speed, distance part 4 session. So please do join. And once you join, do not forget to let me know by your comments about your joining as well. Don't forget to let me know about your comments about the joining as well. Come on, guys, do join. Do join fast. Do join and do join fast. Yes. Quickly join, guys. Quickly join it. And once you join, guys, please do not forget to share with your friends as well. Today we are going to continue from where we left. We were on the relative speed part. So we will continue from the relative speed and move ahead. So let me quickly tell you guys what we have covered and what we are planning to cover today. We have covered the basics of TSD. Guys, I will make sure that the TSD is finished before Diwali. Okay, the TSD is finished before Diwali. Okay. Second, we begin with the relative speed. In the third session, we done relative speed plus trains. In the fourth session, we will do the trains plus the accident based and others. Okay. In the fourth session, we are going to do the trains, accident based, and the others. Okay. So this is the plan for today. Today, guys, please make sure you make it happen. You make this plan happen. Please support me. What is the way to support, guys? Just quickly do the questions. Whenever I will give you the question, try to solve it as fast as possible. Try to solve it as fast as possible. I think we were here over, na? Yeah, we were here over. So I personally believe. Hello Prajwal, hello Shrivani. Yeah, for sure. Advance. Good evening, Kshatriya Kal. Okay. I personally believe that all these questions can be done by you. Same length, running on the parallel direction, running in the parallel direction, speed 5644. Faster train passes the another train. Faster train passes the another train. Whenever two train cross each other, so time taken is L1 plus L2 upon S1 plus S2. Time taken is 63. Same length L plus L. Speeds 44, 56 in the opposite direction, in the same direction, bacha. In the same direction. In the same direction, it is A minus B. In the same direction, it is A minus B. My dear friends, in the same direction, it is A minus B. So 56 minus 44. Kilometer per hour, convert into meter per second. Convert into meter per second. 63 is equal to 12. This is a 12 into 5 by 18. 6 times, 3 times. L is 63 into 5 by 3. Each train is 105 meter long. Good evening, Charlie. Very good evening. Very good evening, my dear friends. Very good evening, my dear friends, guys. The length is 105. The length is 105. So, guys, these questions we are going to do it little bit fast. These questions we might be doing it little bit fast because then later there is something good questions waiting for you. This is I'm leaving because this can be done by you. This is I'm leaving because this can be done by you. Two trains in the opposite direction. It takes 18 seconds to cross each other. It takes 18 seconds to cross each other. So 18 is equal to L1 plus L2 upon S1 plus L2. 18 is equal to L1 plus L2 upon S1 plus S2. What is their speeds? 57 plus 42. That is 99. Convert into meter per second. Convert into meter per second. 11, 2. So L1 plus L2 is 18 into 11 into 5 by 2. L1 plus L2 is 99 into 5. L1 plus L2 is 495. One of the length is known. Hello, Harika. One of the length is known. Another can be find out pretty easily. One of the length is known. Another can be find out pretty easily. One is 295. So another is 200. Well done, Prajwal and Harika. Yes, cute girl, for sure. Our session is absolutely great for CGL and CHSL both. Our session is absolutely great for CGL and CHSL both. Even for all aptitude-based exams. For all aptitude-based exams. Let's move on quickly. Dry. Chalo, you read it first. You read it first properly. Hello, well done, SSC wala boy. Well done. Charlie, cute girl. The driver of a car sees a bus 40 meters ahead of him. So initially the bus was ahead of the car. After 20 seconds, bus is behind. Initially bus is ahead. It's a normal life situation. It's a real life situation. Look at how it is. Initially the bus is ahead of the car. (40 meters). Both of them are moving, but after some time, bus has reached over here only and car has reached over here. Real life, guys, real life crossing. Real life crossing. Yeah? Real life crossing. Anything who was initially behind is now ahead of the another thing. Car was initially behind, now it is ahead. 40 meters behind to 60 meters ahead. So car has traveled a relative distance of 100 meters. Car has traveled a relative distance of 100 meters. Car has traveled a relative distance of 100 meters. Okay, obviously speed of car is more than bus. In the same direction, it is car minus bus relative speed. In the same direction, it is car minus bus relative speed. This is in meters. Car is kilometer per hour. Bus is also kilometer per hour because only same units can be added or subtracted. Now, if both of them are in kilometer per hour, convert them into meter per second. Convert them into meter per second. Convert them into meter per second. And they are crossing in 20 seconds. Over. Game over. Yeah. Game over. 100 simplifying 100. Car minus bus is 18. Car is 30. So bus is 12. Only same units can be added or subtracted. If car was in kilometer per hour, then you will assume bus also in kilometer per hour. Then you will assume bus also in kilometer per hour. Is it 100% clear? Any doubts whatsoever? Any doubts whatsoever? Great. Well done. All the very best. No, I'm not giving marks. I will distribute 2 marks today. I will distribute 2 marks today, but let the time come. Let the time come. A train overtakes 2 persons who are walking in the same direction in the direction of train. So let's suppose this is the direction of train and the persons are walking in this direction only. And the persons are walking in the same direction only. Their speeds are 2 and 4. Let the speed of train is x. Let the speed of train is x. Train crossing a man is basically train crossing its own length. So when this train crosses this man, it will travel its own length L with the relative speed of x minus 2. With the relative speed of x minus 2 corresponding to its 9 second in 9 seconds. If you want guys, you can multiply, you can convert into meter per second as well by multiplying by 5 by 18. You can convert into meter per second as well by multiplying by 5 into 18. Now, there is one more information given. This train will cross this man with the relative speed of x minus 4. Convert into meter per second 5 by 18 in 10 seconds. 10 seconds. So now you can very easily feel that sir 5 by 18 is going to get cancelled out. 5 by 18 is going to get cancelled out. X minus 2 into 9 is equal to x minus 4 into 10. 9x minus 18 is equal to 10x minus 40. So x is equal to 22 kilometer per hour. X is equal to 22 kilometer per hour. Since there is only one option with 22, I'm not bothered about the another data. I'm not bothered about the another data. However, since this is the value of L, I can find out L as well. So L is 22 minus 2, 20 kilometer per hour into 5 by 18 into 9 seconds. 50 meter. Perfect. Very good problem, guys. If any one of you have any kind of doubts, I think you should be making it clear. If anyone has any kind of doubts over this, you should be making it clear as of now only. If anyone has any kind of doubt, guys, please make it clear as of now only. Great. This is exactly the same. So I'm keeping this as a homework. This is exactly the same, the previous one. So I'm keeping this as a homework. 1, 2, 3, screenshot taken. Chalo. 2 marks for both correct answers. Two marks for both correct answers. I am out of the screen. Guys, the accident problem has come up in the previous, I think, CGL. So I've included it. Charlie, this is too much fast, yeah. Let's give other the opportunities, yeah. So Harika, if he is correct, you both are at 2 and 2 each. DC. Always make 2 diagrams. Always make 2 diagrams. Just I will tell once and you have to remember it for lifetime. Just I will tell once, you have to remember it for lifetime. Raj was traveling to his home from Mumbai. He met with an accident 80 km away from Mumbai. Okay, initially he had an accident over here and continued the remaining journey with 4 by 5 of the original speed. And continued the remaining journey with 4 by 5 of the original speed. Okay, and becomes 1 hour 24 minutes late. So if initially the speed was 5, here it is 4 for the remaining part of the journey. And becoming late 1 hour 24 minutes. And becoming late 1 hour 24 minutes. Had 40 किलोमीटर बाद हुआ होता, not here, after 40 kilometer. Had the accident happened after 40 kilometer. So speed will become 524. Speed will become 524 after this point. Speed will become 524 after this point. Now let's see. I have created this first portion. Speed is same for both. I have created another portion. Speed is same for both. Only in this portion, speed difference is there. Here it is 4 and here it is 5. Only in this portion, speed difference is there. Only in this portion, speed difference is there. So, if initially he was getting late by 1 hour 24 minutes and finally he was getting late by 1 hour only, so this time covering is in this portion. This time covering is in this portion. So 24 minute covered in 40 kilometer. 24 minute covered in 40 kilometer. 24 minute covered in 40 kilometer. If accident would have never happened, हुआ ही नहीं होता, then this complete 1 hour 24 minutes would have been covered. If accident would have been never happened, if accident has never happened, so it would not get delayed, it will not get delayed. So it would have been not late by 1 hour 24 minutes. So 1 hour 24 minutes can be covered in how much kilometer? Simplify. 1 hour 24 minutes is 84 minutes. 84 in 24 in 40 kilometer. So you will say, sir, simplify 12 minute 20 kilometer. 12 minute 20 kilometer. So 84 minute is 7 times of it. 84 minute is 7 times of it. So 140 kilometer. 140 kilometer. So this distance would be 140 kilometer. An accident has happened after 80. So total distance 220. Total distance 220. I can repeat it, guys. I can repeat it. Afterwards, not as of now. Okay? And from here, we will find out the speed as well. In this portion, speed initially was 4, now is 5. So time would be in the inverse ratio, 5:4. Time covering 24 minutes. Time covering is because of this portion only. Time covering 24 minutes. One time cover is 24 minutes. So final time because 5 is the original speed. So final time is 4. Final time is 4. So 4 is 96 minutes. So this 40 kilometer later on is being covered in 96 minutes. This 40 kilometer later on is being covered in. This 40 kilometer is covered in 96 minutes. So speed is 40 by 96 divided by 60. कठिन लगा क्या? Guys, do I need to repeat it or what? Just watch it once. Just watch it once. Dana, I'm eagerly waiting for it as well. Okay. Should I take it once more, bacha? I will take it on a next page. I will just repeat the concepts. I will just repeat the concepts, guys. First, you try to understand it. Okay. Only concept was this, that whatever is the time saving is because of the middle portion. if the accident has happened over here and if the accident has happened over here. If accident is happened over here, reduced speed 4. If accident is happened over here, reduced speed 4, but here it is 5. चलो अब आपको बहुत अच्छा समझ में आएगा. Now you will get it much better. Accident here, so reduced speed. Accident here, so original speed. Accident here, so reduced speed. Accident here, so original speed 5. So in this portion, speed is in the ratio 4:5. So time would be in the ratio 5:4. Time covering 1 minute. And here 1 hour 24 minutes late. And here 1 hour late. So actual time covering is 24 minutes. Actual time covering is 24 minutes. Okay. So, okay. This is the speed for the first portion and this is the speed for the second portion. Now 5 is our original speed. 5 is our original speed. So we will find the original time. Because from time we can only find out time. From time we can only find out time. So we will find the original time. Yeah, original time. So 4 is 96 minutes. So this 40 kilometer can be traveled in 96 minutes. This 40 kilometer can be traveled in 96 minutes. Convert into hour, divide by 60. Absolutely clear. Absolutely clear. And the finding the distance was much easier. Finding the distance was much easier. If 40 kilometer more, 24 minutes covered. In 40 kilometer distance, 24 minutes less late. I want the accident to not happen. I want the accident to not happen. So entire time would be covered. So entire time would be covered. So entire late initially was 84 minutes. So 12 minutes can be covered in 20 kilometer. So 84 minutes can be covered in multiply by 7, 140 kilometer. So what does this mean? Ki accident would have never happened originally, then this distance would be 140 kilometer. If accident has not happened, then this distance would be 140 kilometer. 0 minute late basically. This is indicating 0 minute late. So this distance is 140. And this was already given as 80. 200. दो बार करा दिया भाई. बताओ. क्लियर है? क्लियर है? Well done. Well done. Perfect. Everyone, please do let me know. Chalo, great. As you know, guys, we are upgrading our offerings highly. We are okay. We are upgrading our skills highly, guys. Okay, like our offerings. In this manner, the paid course is also there. The quizzes is also there. Topic wise, job alerts is also there. Yeah, job alerts. Previous year PDF with solutions is also going to be provided to you free of cost. It was there, Vinod. It was there. It was once in SSC as well. Practice questions, current affairs, daily, weekly, monthly. Current affairs, daily, weekly, monthly. Study material, test series, and free courses. So these are the offerings which we are upgrading from day to day. Go to the Play Store, search the exam core, install it, open it, register it, and fill the credentials. And start using it in the SSC segment. Start using it in the SSC segment. Well done, Dana, Vinod, Prajwal, Charlie, and all. 1 mark for it as well. Do you know who will do it first? Might be Srivani. Might be. I was absolutely correct. I was absolutely correct. A train crosses a man in 8 seconds and 180-meter long platform in 17 seconds. Crossing a man means crossing itself. Crossing a platform means crossing itself plus the platform. Crossing a man means crossing its own length. And crossing a platform means crossing itself plus platform. Well done, Vinod. So if 8 seconds is consumed in itself only and 17 seconds in itself plus platform, so can I say how much extra? 9 seconds extra. 9 seconds extra in the platform. 8 seconds is consumed in itself only and 17 seconds in itself plus platform. So 9 seconds in platform. So 180-meter long platform in 9 seconds. This means speed of the train is 20 meter per second. One part of the question done. This means the speed of the train is 120 meter per second. Train A. Yeah. Train A crosses train B, which is running in the opposite direction. Okay, its speed is given in kilometer per hour. Better convert into meter per second. Better convert into meter per second, bacha. 30 meter per second. Train A crossing train B in the opposite direction in 8 seconds. Whenever two train cross each other, what is the time they take? T1 plus T2, L1 plus L2 upon S1 plus S2. Now what is S1 plus S2? 50 meter per second. So we got their sum of lengths. 400 is sum of their lengths. 400 is sum of their lengths. Well done, Vinod. You are just amazing. Okay, L1. We can find out L1 from this data only, that with the speed of 20 meter per second, a train can crosses a man in 8 seconds, means length is 160 meter. Length of train A is with the speed of 20 meter per second, it can cross a man in 8 seconds, means 160 meter. Length of train A is, then length of train B, 160. So length of train B is 400 minus 160, 240. Length of train B, 240. How much time it will take to cross the platform P? What was the length of P? 180. Now this 240 meter will cross 180 in how much time? 240 meter train, 180 platform, obviously with the speed of B, 420 upon speed of B is 30. Who was correct? None. None. This is disheartening. This is disheartening. Is it clear? 240, 340, 440, 440, 20 less, 420 with the speed of B. Speed of B is 30 meter per second. It's 14 seconds. Oh ho ho ho. This is disheartening, guys. There is a huge pain over here. Is it clear to all? Is it clear to all? Quite big question. Quite big question. This was from PO examination. Now we will do that particular case. Let's suppose there are two places A and B. Okay? Or maybe two places P and Q. Two persons travels towards each other. With the speed of A and speed of B. Two person A and B travels towards each other with the speed A and B. Two persons A and B start traveling towards each other. Guys, if they will travel towards each other, they will definitely meet at some point. What do you say? Yeah. They will meet at point P. After that point, A will move towards Q and B will move towards P. Okay, for sure. Okay, for sure. After meeting, A will go towards Q and B will go towards P. Pretty logical. Let's suppose in covering the remaining distance, time taken by SA is TA and time taken by SB is TB. Pretty logical. In covering the remaining distance, time taken by SA is TA and time taken by SB is TB. In this, the relation form is SA upon SB is under root of TB by TA. If any one of you wants to see the derivation, I can. Okay. So SA upon SB is under root of TB by TA. And the meeting time T for which they meet for the first time, after which they meet for the first time, and the meeting time after which they meet for the first time t is under root of t1 into t2, or you can say ta into tb. Guys, will you derive it by your own? What do you say? Bacha, can you derive it by your own? If yes, then it will save my work. It will save my work. Otherwise, when both of them start moving towards each other, when both of them have started moving towards each other, the distance traveled by them is in the proportion of their speeds. The distance traveled by them is in the proportion of their speeds. Okay, what was this distance? SA can covered in TA minutes, so SA into TA. And what is this distance? SB into TB. When they were meeting for the first time, this is the distance covered by A, and this is the distance covered by B. So distance covered by A was SB into TB, and distance covered by B was SA into TA. They would be in the proportion of their speeds, SA upon SB. Derived. Khatam. ठीक है? So TB by TA is SA का square upon SB का square. SA upon SB is under root of TB by TA. Vanished. This is what? This is the distance. SB into TB is this distance. SB into TB. And SA into TA is this distance. SB into TB in the proportion of the speed of SA. SA into TA in the proportion of the speed SA. SB. Clear to all? Clear to all? Two to three questions will come over it. Just enjoy it. Rekha takes 3 hours 12 minutes. Suman and Rekha take 1 hour 48 minutes. Speed of Suman upon speed of Rekha is under root of time taken by Rekha upon time taken by Suman. Rekha take 1 hour 48 minutes. 60 plus 48, 108 minutes. And Suman will take 3. 192 minutes. And Suman will take 192 minutes. Simplify, bacha. Simplify. 4 will simplify 27 times. 4 will simplify. Okay. Simplify by 3, 9 and 16. Speed of Suman is speed of Rekha, under root of 9, 3, under root of 16, 4. Speed of Suman, speed of Rekha is in the ratio 3:4. What is this? Why I would be aspirant here? Why I would be aspirant? Matlab, are you doubting? Okay. Rekha is given as 9. 4 is given as 9. What is the value of 3? 4 is given as 9. So 1 is equal to 9 by 4. So 3 is equal to 3 into 9 by 4, which is 27 by 4. 4 6 are 24. 3 by 4. Clear? Clear, guys? Now I'm 33 and all, yeah? I've done my part. I've done my part. I've done my part. Okay, we will do this little bit later on. We will do this little bit later on. Because these questions are of the same type. These questions are of the same type. Sometimes I feel like I go in too much detail, too much deep. Sometimes I feel like when I teach the TSD, I go in too much deep. But yeah, the thing is, if I don't teach you this, then you would be happy as of now. But later on, when you would be sitting in the examination, you would be saying, oh my God, I have been not taught this. Otherwise, I would have done this. So I don't want that moment to come. I don't want that moment to come where you feel like uncomfortable in any particular question. Where you feel like uncomfortable in any particular question. The time taken to meet is under root of TA into TB. The time taken to meet is under root of TA into TB. The time taken to meet is under root of TA into TB. 96 into 54. Break into perfect squares. 16 into 6 into 54. 16 into, I think break it into 9 into 6 into 6, yeah? 9 6 ja 54 into 6. 9 6 ja 54 into 6. See the factorization, bachcho. It will make the calculation very easy. 16 is 4. 6 into 6 is 1 6 and 9 is 3. 24 plus 3, 72 minutes. They will meet after 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 72 minutes. They started at 9:30. Meeting after 72 minutes. So 60 plus 12. 9:30 plus 60 is 10:30. 10:30 plus 12 is 10:42. Please do watch out. Any issues, do tell me. Perfect. Perfect. Vinod, Prajwal, Srivani, Charlie, Harika and all. Next. This is an important question. Let's give it as a 1 mark. All of you can do this easily, guys, as I know. It's only for a speed check. Charlie taken it again. Crosses a man. The faster train is crossing a man. What does this mean? Faster train is not crossing the slower train. Faster train is not crossing the slower train. It is crossing a man in the slower train in 24 seconds. Faster train is not crossing the slower train in 24 seconds. Rather, it is crossing a man inside the train in 24 seconds. Crossing a man means crossing itself. Crossing a man means crossing itself. So faster train will cross itself. So distance is the length of the faster train. Crossing a man is about crossing itself. So distance is the length of the faster train. But since man is not stationary, it is moving, it is sitting in the train. It is sitting in the train, it is not stationary. So you will say, sir, relative speed will come into the picture. Both are moving in the same direction. Both trains are moving in the same direction. So relative speed is 60 minus 45 km per hour, convert into meter per second. And time taken is 24 seconds. Over and out. 15 into 5 by 18 into 24. 6 3 ja, 6 4 ja, 3 5 ja. 25 into 400 meter is the length of the faster. Over and out. Well done, Charlie. खत्म करें. Okay, guys, so that was today's session. I know some questions were really tricky. Some questions were moderate. Please do watch it multiple times in the recording. Please do watch the session, guys, multiple times in the recording, okay? So that if you have any kind of doubt, make some good notes, guys. Make some good notes. Happy Diwali to you in advance. Yeah, happy Diwali to you guys in advance, okay? Make this Diwali time to remember with the family. Keep on studying as well in the time what you get in between the functions. Keep on studying as well. Rojgar Mela, we will talk about it Dana after. Let's see what comes out. All the defense jobs are there, or some government non-defense jobs are also there. The only point is that whether it is about across all ministries or departments, or it is mostly about Ministry of Defense. It would be clear by the speech which is going to happen tomorrow. It would be clear by the speech which is going to happen tomorrow. Okay. Happy Diwali. Take care of yourself. Have a lovely time with the family, guys. Have a lovely time with the family. Enjoy it fully. Okay. And in between, whenever you get some time, try to revise the session. You will get some recordings. Please do watch them as well. Yeah. You will get some recordings, guys. Please do watch them as well. And you can watch them in the fast forward manner as well, but try to finish them all. Yeah, try to finish them all. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. See you soon. Tomorrow there is one more live session, non-stop Fadafat Math at 11 or maybe 10. The last session of mine, before Diwali, is going to be tomorrow in the morning. Again, the same session where we do the questions pretty fast. Okay, bye.